You doing okay?
Yeah.
Mom says you haven't been back to the hospital. Don't worry about this Mayan shit. You need to focus on your family.
Come on, man. Don't push me off this.
I know you're all spun out over Wendy and the kid. Understandable. It's awful shit. But your father and I, we worked hard to create this business. We served time. We lost brothers. We spilled a lot of blood. And you're gonna need this now, more than ever. Sick kid. It's an expensive burden. You want to do the right thing by your family, don't you?
Yeah.
Of course. Well, then go see your son.